So we're just now leaving that meet. There wasn't a whole lot of people there. We showed up a little too late. There was just a couple cars, and all of us, of course. We got us a good blue raspberry lemonade from the food truck that was sitting up there. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good time though. They had some music playing. We went to United Motorsports, looked around. United's got a couple cool bikes in there. Matt up here, he's actually thinking about getting a different bike. Not like getting rid of his. He's got to take his and get his worked on. He has an open recall on his S1K that they said could potentially take like 8 months for them to fix for some reason. I don't know why, but he wants to get something he can put around on, and it's kind of making me want to get something too. If he gets something small, you know, like a KTM 790 or whatever sizes they are. I don't know much about them, but I wouldn't mind to get me a adventure bike if he does that, and we can swap out. I mean, he rides on mine, I ride his sometimes.
Why are you gay?
Wait. Pause. So now we're going to head down towards Somerset, Kentucky. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours away, to another car show that starts at 4 o'clock. So maybe we can get down there while more people are actually there. A little bit more interstate riding coming up, so I ain't going to do too much talking on the interstate. I really love to build a community here on YouTube. I got like a decent community built on Instagram, and I appreciate every single one of you to get on here and give me attention to motivate me to come out and do some more videos. And I'm glad a lot of people like it and like what I post on Instagram. He's doing his ghost riding thing. He's ghost riding that whip. He's ghost riding it. He's ghost riding it. That's funny. I got cruise control. I can do a little bit. I got cruise control, so I can ghost ride a little bit longer. It ain't fair, really. To do it without cruise control is a lot harder.
You got fucking words, David.
That's typically how the bullshit goes, you feel me?
beautiful scenery from Kentucky. Just look at this, man. You're on top of this hill, you're just overlooking. I know there's like a skull or something over there right now, but just look, man. It's just beautiful. Coming through this road that was cut through a mountain. Not really a mountain. If you want to see a mountain, wait till I go down to eastern Kentucky. And of course, some of you are probably from a lot of areas that's more mountainous, but a lot of people that watch these may have only ever been in like a urban, or yeah, an urban area. I guess urban means city, or yeah, an urban area. So I ain't been over this way in a while. We're going towards Somerset, Kentucky, and the last time I was over here was when I worked a traveling job, and I had to travel down, I think like Alabama or something, and it brought me this way towards Bowling Green. And I mean, it's pretty country back in here, but again, there's not a whole lot in a lot of these areas once you start getting away from the more populous developed areas like Lexington, Louisville, and etc. Which Somerset's a lot bigger than where I'm originally from, but it's not the largest area. Something's tickling my nose. It's probably the freaking fuzz off of this wind muff. But I gotta have it or you guys are gonna hear me breathing a lot, which you probably already do. Every time I ride on the interstate, my neck hurts, and I think it's because of the air turbulence or something. I've discussed it before in a couple videos, but I say it every time because, man, it sucks. Just the wind is so much different on the interstate. I'd imagine we got to be getting pretty close. We've been riding for a good minute. It's like we're now in Somerset, Kentucky. We just got to find this place where this car show is going on. I'd say we're probably going to be the only bikes there. I'm not too knowledgeable on who all or how many people actually ride bikes down this way, which I know there's people, just don't know how many people. It's a nice vet, both of them. Oh, there's two more. Oh, never mind, it's a Camaro and an orange vet. But I know of people down this way that ride, just not a whole lot of people. And usually these car shows are exactly that, a car show, so people on bikes don't really go. But we're trying to change that, honestly. We've got groups together now where we just go to car shows, and we've been invited back to many of them because people at car shows want to see bikes too, and they like having bikes there. It's just, I guess they don't really know who to reach out to or like what to do to attract more bikes to come around. But hey, we've been showing up, and they've been welcoming. The car community's been pretty welcoming. That is probably the nicest cookout I've ever seen in my life. Like, the nicest cookout. This looks like it's it. Pretty nice cars over here. Got a Challenger, got a BMW, a couple Mustangs.
Come on, man.
We're already in the process of pushing them back.